Bucolic. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. Bucolic is an adjective. And kahit na medyo hindi maganda pakinggan, lalo na if you think of the word colic or yung bu sa bureaucracy, ang bucolic is more of a positive word. Bucolic is relating to yung typical country or pastoral life. Imagine living on a farm. Waking up sa isang tahimik na buhay, idyllic, kumbaga. Para madaling tandaan, pwede nyo isipin, bu for bukid. Kasi kung bucolic, bukid feels, kumbaga. Kaya we could say something like, Mandy likes spending time in her farmhouse. There's something about the bucolic landscape that soothes her soul. Alright, that's today's word of the day. Para hindi nyo makalimutan agad, use it in a sentence, comment nyo sa baba, and don't forget to follow me for more.